Good day everyone, my name is Salcamar J. Aguabiba, and today I will discuss the rule number 7 and 6, which covers the standard qualifications and documentary requirements for the LSP and LTO applications. The next slide is section 16, qualifications. An applicant must meet the following qualifications: all legal age, Filipino citizens, physical and mentally fit, with good moral character, and no criminal convictions, and must have complete required training program. And the third is section 6, documents. Once the application must be submitted important documents such as birth certificate, medical certificate, and neuropsychiatric evaluation to prove fitness and identify. And the next is section 16, documents 2. Additional requirements include a drug result and police clearance and certificate of completions and training program. Importance of section 16. These are requirements ensure that only qualified, healthy, and trustworthy individuals are allowed to work in security field. Slide 6, section 7, renewal of LSP. The LSP must be renewed every 5 years. Application must have no pending cases and must complete required training programs. In slide 7, the renewal is important. The renewal is important is ensure that personnel remain update skills and legally authorized to perform their duties. The next is section 18, new LTO applicant. To apply for a new LTO, the applicant must have valid security manager LSP and submit an authorized application form. And the next one, the business requirements. Application must provide business registrations document from DTI, SEC, or CDA proving legal ownership or operations. Slide 10, the financing requirements. Applicants must have financial capability including at least 1 million pesos in funds and insurance bond. The second is staffing requirements. The company must have trained licensed personnel along with valid certificate and required staff positions. Slide 12, facilities requirements. Application must have a proper office or lease contract, and the location must pass inspections. Equipment requirements. The company must have enough equipment to ensure efficiently security operations. Slide 14, the section 19, LTO renewal. For renewal, updated documents must be submitted to prove continue or compliance with requirements. Slide 15, the legal documents. These include income tax returns, VAT payment, business permits, and registration with SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig. Slide 16, financial and staffing renewal. Applicant must maintain financial capacity and ensure the staff remain trained and licensed. The summary. In conclusion, all applicants must submit complete, valid, and authentic documents following these requirements ensures that nationalism and safety in the security industry.